Hi, my name is Jessica, and I am faster than your boyfriend. This is my 2005 Evo 8 GSR. And I can show you under the hood. It's way nicer under the hood. Has MAP Stage 1 block, eagle rods, Weisco pistons, MAP built Stage 1 head, ID 1700s, E85, precision 6265. The turbo kit is custom. I make 600, I made 602 actually, and 430 torque. So I was super excited about that. So I bought this car 2 years ago, kind of out on a whim, and 2 days after I'd purchased the car, it started knocking, and then it was a complete teardown from there. It took me a couple months to actually get started on the car. Once I got started, it was kind of just like never stopped. My whole engine was built by MAPerformance. So I have a MAPerformance Stage 1 block. The engine builders here are amazing. They do great work, even as far as going as out of their way to, send me a text to say, hey, how's the car doing? Like, did I do a great job? I was very lucky to have the people here, get my car to where it is today, that's for sure. I know that I can always come here if I ever have questions, if I need to get parts, if just plain out need a helping hand. I know that I can always come here, and I trust the people that work here. Once every couple weeks, I'm here. It's all around just a great place to be. I didn't essentially just hand someone my car and say, hey, build this for me. Anything that was done to the car, I was right there either learning or doing it myself. A lot of smiles, a lot of tears to kind of get where it is today. Holy cow, I've learned a lot. That is for sure. This is, kind of the first car that I've ever taken on my own and had built, and my first fast car, my first built car, my first turboed car. So I kind of went balls to the wall right away. I chose the Evo because they stand out. They were one of my quote-unquote dream cars, I guess you could say. Just something about it, when you see one driving down the road, it catches your eye, kind of makes you look twice at it. Driving this car, no matter what, you're smiling. You're cheesing ear to ear the whole time. Everything I've ever worked for has been for this. I can kind of wake up and crawl out of bed and walk out to my garage and see everything that I've, put my heart and my soul into, changing something or modifying something or essentially doing things to make it faster and so I could keep up with all the boys. It's almost like my child. I don't have any kids, but if I did have a kid, this would be it. I got into cars, started out really young. I kind of grew up going to old school muscle car shows. So I kind of grew up around it my whole life up until I turned about 16 years old. And then I was introduced to imports, and I kind of just never looked back ever since. My grandpa and my dad are the ones I can thank for that. My grandpa has a few cars. He has a Nova and a Cutlass and a Chevelle, and they did not like it at first. They were kind of, what the heck? What are you doing? What are you doing with a 4-cylinder? Why did you buy this? Pretty much after it blew up, they're just, I told you so. Should have never bought the car. Should have bought a V8. They both still help me out a lot. And actually, I got this text from my grandpa. And he said, hey, it's not nice to be faster than your grandpa.